3, 2, 1.
You got screwed! Leslie, that was the wrong hole!
Yeah, that's right, baby. I got Ray Low Black on my other screen. Dude, I would too, man. Whoa! Shit! Did you see that thing?
Okay, I'll listen to the music with you guys.
I love the vibes of Twilight Princess. On top of the puzzles are good. So. Ah!
I had a really important question.
What's up?
Do you like your house milk tea with or without boba?
With boba.
I guess speech.
Okay.
Speech.
Wow.
Speech. Say it with me, chat. Speech. Okay.
Okay. I'm not very well spoken, but it feels like an appropriate time to give a speech. So here I go. Stop. Okay. As a young girl growing up, I always thought that I wanted to be a doctor. Okay. I thought I wanted to be a nurse, actually. I thought I wanted to be a nurse. Okay, fine. I always had a small dream in my heart that I wanted to become a YouTuber in some way. I looked up to a lot of YouTube. Okay, fine. Thanks for the plaque, YouTube. Is that better?
Was that curiously through me.
Wait, why did you guys link me?
Hassan? No, Hassan.
Oh my god, dude. God, why? No, okay? No. I'm sick and tired of this fucking cave-dwelling goblin talking shit, okay? That's me. I like her a lot, but I'm sick and tired of you guys making her, like, use this as an opportunity to say that I'm, like, disgusting or some shit, okay?
Okay, boys. All right. Get ready. We're hopping in. Okay, boys. Okay.
Your gameplay looks kind of familiar. This is sort of what I look at.
You're a piece of shit.
What happened? What's the story that just got told there, chat? What just happened? It's like, that was his, like, this is the wife, this is the girlfriend, and then the guy picking the shit was like the best friend of that one, and he's like, oh shit, dude.
No, this is the baby and the stepdad came through.
I'm sorry.
Hey, let's be friends, okay? We be friends, all of us, we be friends. Yo, Case, if you're watching the stream, she'll beat the fuck up. Beat a fucking beat his She doesn't know that. Shut up. It doesn't.
Is that a piercing on your upper lip? No, it's a mole. I have a mole. I have a mole here. I have a mole right here. I have a mole right here. I have a mole right here. I have a lot of freaking moles. Okay, this is a mole. It's just perfectly in the center. So a lot of people are like, "Oh, do you have a piercing?" It's a mole. It's a mole. Nice CGI mole. You're right. This is all fake.
You see your cracker.
Oh shit. Oh, what the? Get that crack out of there. Run. Haha, sucker, get fucked. What the mother?
Oh. Yo, I got you. The fact that they call me Alex makes it really weird. What's up, pussy? Bop. Oh!
I'm not confident in the game.
Yes. So, very, very slowly. So not fun. Bronze 5, shut up. Yes, I know my League of Legends rank is bronze 5, fuck. I'm just...
I'm sensitive to rank.
Okay?
Means. I'm telling you that I swear pillow is like not an incorrect way. Cause I wrote pillow or pillow technically, right?
Pillow or pillow.
That genuinely says pillow or pillow. Call to welcome to that Twitch Prime sub. Welcome. I appreciate it. I hear both, says Divine. Aloha, Andrew, welcome over 8. You are wrong? No,
Pillow or pillow.
that says pillow or pillow. How high are you? Only a little.
It'll let you know if it's on sale. Yes. So, anyways, I had a small YouTube channel. It started out with me uploading videos of my friend farting, and then it turned into
What?
I found out that
Was your friend a girl?
Yes, and then I found out that people had farting fetishes from that. And that was a hard lesson to learn.
You never told me this.
Oh, I didn't tell you.
No.
Yeah, it was awful. It was a really disturbing thing. We took the
Oh
videos.
my god.
Yeah, we took the videos down quick.
I've had some serious revelations this stream.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Don wearing a ring, e-boy. What? Okay, wait. Pause the fucking music. What is e-boy? I'm googling e-boy right now. I'm telling you what I see. E-boy. Jesus Christ. Oh shit.
You gotta read like me, I see.
You're rubbing off on me.
Is this
Is this all I need?
No. Oh my.
Is that TOS? That's terrifying! It's everywhere! You literally effed up his entire room.
What the
Look, look, it looks
fuck?
like it snowed in your room. It's Christmas!
Aww.
Stefan, you mother.
It's so yummy. Have you tried it? You don't like it? Okay, you're making a face. Oh my god, all his outfits are like team merch, by the way. He has like a box of like Cloud9 and do you have Golden Guardian stuff yet? Yeah, he has a box of like Golden Guardian and like in the closet, I like it's just all like team merch. It's so funny.
Wow. And when I'm filming her, does she ever get uncomfortable that I'm filming her and not the dog?
Dude,
She knows I'm filming the dog, right?
the way she's dressed, she wants you to film her.
Oh, really?
That's what Trainwreck's told me.
Ah! I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
Just a demon voice? Hey, you know what? Maybe we'll switch it up a little bit. Listen carefully to what I, the Deca am about to tell thee. Thy slumber these past moods have been restless and full of nightmares. As the servants of evil gain strength, a vile climate pervades and the land causes nightmares to those sensitive to it.
Oh my god. Okay, Spain?
Hei, hyggelig å møte deg.
No? Maybe I mistake? Why different sound and...
Hei, hyggelig å møte deg.
Scout!
I'm just I can't say shit, dude.
I'm just kidding.
So I guess
TFT is
until
a
the
really
next
good
tournament,
game.
Whatever. He can have that title.